Cat 26, just do tips and tricks and hobbies. I'm going to show you how to close out a program on a Mac. Stay tuned. Program, you got to hit this button, Command, Option, and Escape up here. Okay, so we're going to do that now. And with those three buttons, and we want to close. This will say sometimes the program will say Pixelmator Pro not responding. Right now it's working, so you want to click on it, left click, and then go to Force Quit, and then it'll bring this up, and click Force Quit, and that's how you close out a program on a Mac that's not responding. Thanks for watching. Please rate and subscribe and give me the thumbs up. Have a great day.